Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Today's video, we're gonna talk prices of the Brabus prices. Here we go. First things first, behind me inside the engine is the PowerExtra B40-700 kit. That means they give the car 700 horsepower and about 1000 Newton meters of torque. Trust me, it is more than enough. The PowerExtra B40 kit comes at 7,900 euros and another 690 euros to get it installed. So I went for the Platinum Edition monoblock Y in 21 inch and these wheels are forged. Now they come at a small price of the two front wheels are 3,780 euros for the two front wheels and another 4,100 euros for the two rear wheels. And yeah, that's only the wheels, so it didn't have tires yet. These are the Continental Sport Contact 6. I have 265 wide in the front and 305 in the back. So yeah, they're kind of big. They're kind of big wheels. And of course, VMAX is over 300 kilometers an hour. So they're high-speed tires, and high-speed tires come at a decent price. The two front tires come at 957 euros for the two front, and 1,000 euros for two tires in the rear, excluding taxes. You gotta have those tiny Brabus valves on your wheels. They come at 87 euros for 4. And of course, to measure your tire pressure inside, and you can watch it on the dash, these wheels also have 4 TPM sensors, and 4 TPM sensors for these wheels are 440 euros. And another 40 euros to get them installed. The only problem I had with the Y wheels is that they come in silver. They do not come in black, so I wanted to have them painted black. And that was another 1,200 euros. But the good part is they never painted these black and shipped them to Belgium. So there is nobody in Belgium, in my shitty country, that is running black forged Platinum Edition Y wheels. This little Brabus logo, 50 euros. And another 15 euros to just get it installed. And there's another one in the back, 50 euros for the back logo and 15 euros again to get it installed. You see that little logo? This is the Brabus illuminated logo. So it gives a little blue shiny light in the front. Very distinctive, also very expensive. It is 600 euros for that little logo and 110 euros to get it installed. And a little fun fact you guys may or may not have known, it's not just a B, it's a double B. Brabus Botrop Bushman, the father of Constantine, who started the brand that many years ago. His last name was Bushman, Bushman, Bushman. My German is not really that good, you know. It could also stand for Botrop because their headquarters is in Botrop, Germany. So Brabus, Bushman, Botrop. Anyway, this big giant awesome logo in the front is 890 euros. And yeah, this grille used to be gray. I asked to get it repainted and that was another 1,200 euros. These Brabus number plate holders, 16 euros. Now that's a bargain. You can get number plate holders. That's 16 euros. Let's get back to the back side because this used to be chrome and I also had it black painted. And I'll take you guys to the inside because, well, I'm rocking the floor mats. Floor mats, 180 euros. Now I got a little problem. So not really pleased about that. I have the floor mats, floor carpets, and the side entry thingies are still AMG. So they also have that in Brabus. It's gonna be like 1,500 euros or something like that. And I really gotta have those because now I'm looking at an AMG badge with Brabus logo next to it. And I don't want it. Car's going back in. Total price of the things I had done is 27,827 euros and 21 cents. So that's only a couple things on the exterior. Like I said, you can have like all carbon fiber parts in the back. You can have their exhaust. That's like a 17,000 euro package you can add. Then of course, when you go into the interior, you can have a fully custom steering wheel with carbon fiber, have the AMG replaced with Brabus. You can have that in different styles of leather. You can have all that in carbon fiber. It's the Brabus carbon fiber if you want. You can have like all different seats, more leather over there. You can also have other headliners, things like that. So customizationable is endless. And then there is also the Brabus 800 package, so it gives you 800 horsepower, and I think that was about 26,000 euros. So you get new turbos. Yeah, it's a lot of horsepower. You can also go for that one, but I was happy to get like 700 horsepower. It's kind of enough. Car actually scares me. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Really hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe for more Brabus and motorcycle and thing videos. If you have any Brabus questions about their future, past, if you want to know some prices of some special things, make sure you just leave a comment, ask me a question, and I'll try to answer it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Love you. Peace. Talk to you later. See ya.